Hi guys, in today's video, I am showing you how to create an Instagram account. The process is quite simple and easy. Open your Instagram app. So as you see, this is my previous Instagram account, but we will create a new one, so far creating a new Instagram account. I am tapping on this option, Create New Account. Now the first thing is, you have to write your mobile phone number if you want to create your account with your mobile phone number. And also you can sign up with your email address. The choice is by which you want to create your Instagram account. As I will create my Instagram account with my mobile phone number. After writing your mobile phone number, tap on the option Next. The Instagram will confirm your number and address. The choice is by which method you want to verify your number. Send code via WhatsApp or by SMS. I will choose SMS, tap on the option Send Code. Instagram will verify number by itself. The next option is save this mobile number or not. That choice is yours. If you want to save, then tap on the option Allow. But if you don't mind, then tap on the option Don't Allow, as I will tap on the option Don't Allow. Now you have to create your password for your Instagram account. And I always recommend you to create a strong password for your Instagram account. So after writing your password, tap on the option Next. Save your login info. Again, the choice is yours. If you want to save, then tap on the option Save. If you don't want, then tap on the option Not now, but I will tap on the option Save. Now, here write your date of birth. After setting up this, tap on the option Set and tap on the option Next. Write your full name here. For an example, I will write mine. After writing, tap on the option Next. Instagram suggests a username by itself, but you can write your own. Try to write to unique username, then it will be accepted by Instagram. But I will choose this because I can change the username after creating my account. So that's why, after writing, tap on the option Next. Tap on the option I agree. Add a profile picture, add if you want, but for now, I will skip this. Sync your contact to find your friends. Tap on the option Continue. So here is Get a Facebook suggestions. If you tap on the option Continue, then my Facebook friend will be also on Instagram friend list. But if you tap on the option Skip, then they will not be added to your Instagram account. So the choice is yours again, but for me, I will skip this one. Want to follow friends? Tap on this option. But don't want, then tap on the option Skip. Share profile to invite your friend to follow on Instagram. You can share this profile by tapping on this Share Profile, and share your profile on WhatsApp, Facebook, and other platforms if you want, but I will skip this one. If you want to follow someone from here, then simply tap on the option Follow, then you will follow that person on Instagram. But for me, I will skip. So that's why I'm tapping on this arrow icon, which is the top right. Tap on the option Turn On. Then you will receive notification from Instagram, like if someone follow you, if someone send a message, or something else. So turn on this notification. Now, your Instagram account has been created successfully. By using this method, you can create your Instagram account easy.